Hello guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. My name is Janice.
And I am Shell.
Yeah, we're married for 4 years. Da-da-da-dang.
And so, yeah, when did we get married? You shouldn't be saying that, but August 15, 2014, right?
Yes.
So anyway, this blog, we will try to meet some, give some answers to a lot of questions that people have. I remember before I decided to go here, I had personally quite a lot of questions. How do I go about the immigration? How simple questions like that, but those are many times they're important questions.
Yeah, and then how you adjust the food here in the Philippines.
Yeah, that's another.
Water also.
What?
Water.
Water.
Yeah.
Yeah. There's things you need to get adjusted to when you do arrive here.
Mhm.
I've always been traveling a lot. I've been to more than 40 countries in the world and in my life, and I decided to now, when I'm getting to the age where I'm getting close to be able to retire, I decided to come here. And the other factor here is that Janice, I tried to tell you to come and visit us, and Janice is a little
I'm
homesick.
afraid.
Why are you afraid?
I don't know.
You don't
I'm
know?
afraid to travel alone.
Yeah, maybe that's because you never traveled before.
No, I never travel outside the country.
Right. So that could do it. However, travel has become real easy nowadays. You go through maybe one or two airports, and in my case, I'm flying into Clark here, where we live. We live in Mabalaka, outside of Clark, and we decided to come here. So with this first introductory video, we just want to give you guys some advice, some help, and this is what we're going to do for you that maybe visit our channel for the first time.
Yeah.
It could be good, and we are going to try to answer questions. In my case, here we have done some trial and errors, and
Yeah.
I will tell you about some of them, so you don't have to repeat it.
Yep.
One of the things that happened to me was, since I got here in December of 2014, and I have been here on extended visa, and that's other subjects we will probably talk to you about. But when you come here to the Philippines, you can extend for 30 days, and then thereafter, you can extend for 2 months at a time. However, when you've been here for 3 years,
3 years you need to exit.
you need to exit the country.
Yeah.
And I learned the hard way, really hard way.
You stuck.
Yeah, and it was funny enough. It was on the 13th I left, December 13th of 2017. So I was just going to go to Hong Kong. I had the round trip ticket, and I went to Hong Kong, and I stayed overnight, and got back to the airport in the morning and was about to fly home on the 14th. Well, lo and behold, I didn't get back home until January 5, I believe it was. Was it January 5th?
4.
January 4. So my stay in Hong Kong went from being 24 hours to being, I believe it was close to 22, 23 days.
Yeah.
Why did that happen to me? I didn't pay attention. When you're coming to Philippines and enter into Philippines, your passport has to have 6 months minimum of validity. So my passport in this case had 5 months and 14 days. So I was 14 days short of being able to enter back in.
Yeah.
So that created this whole little thing where I actually got stuck in Hong Kong over both Christmas and New Year by myself. She doesn't want to travel, so I ended up stuck in Hong Kong. And I actually bought a t-shirt that says stuck in Hong Kong. That's our first tip to you. You come and want to live here. After 3 years, you have to leave the country. But make sure that your passport has 6 months.
Correct.
Anything else you want to bring up today?
If you have any question, just send us an message on this video, so we will answer all your questions.
And you can also, as you see in our intro in the opening, you see our website.
Yeah.
It's shelljamson.com. Just you find it right there on the screen. And we have a question Q&A forms there, and you can just contact us right there. We get it via email, and we will respond to you. If you want us to bring some of your questions on the screen on our YouTube channel and answer there, and you want to be anonymous, just make sure you tell us, that don't reveal my name. We do respect that. So that's it for today, and then we'll be back tomorrow with another video. You take care.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe our channel.
All right. God bless. Take care.